country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. This news today weather report is brought to you by G. Sai Gauri. Maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Humidity 81%. Wind speed 16 km per hour. Thank you. That's the end of news bulletin.
Agarohana brought you thought. Not all storms come to disturb your life. Some come to clear your paths. I repeat it once again. Not all storms come to disturb your life. Some come to clear your paths. Thank you and have a good day ahead. This is Brinda of Grade X, here to say today's word. Tranquility. This means calm without any disturbance. Friends, please spell after me. Tranquility. TRANQUILLI Tranquility.
Hasini and I am Varun. Today we are here to speak about our mistakes and faults that we have done today. Hasini, why do we not perform well in assembly? Because if we are not having enough preparation or if we have overconfidence, we will not be able to perform well in our assembly. Oh, that means we have to be prepared the day before well for the assembly. Yeah, you have to prepare by speaking into the media, improving your confidence, but not too much, and also practice speaking in front of many people so that you can speak anywhere in the world. Even though if we prepare, what happens if we not perform well? Yeah, sometimes it happens, but as we are the senior grade students, we have to do it. That's our responsibility and we are going to be inspiration for all our students.
Yes, so that means failure is the first step to success. So even though if we not perform well, we have to be prepared for the next assembly in a proper manner.
Yeah, but every time we shouldn't be a failure. We have to take those failures as a key to success and we have to follow that. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Friends, do you agree with that?
Yes, sir. Principal, teachers, and all my dear friends present here. Here is my team, Akshaya, Shaili, Shloka, and Sastra, here to do an activity on current affairs. Breaking news. Wait, I haven't even started.
Oh, sorry, I got excited. I always wanted to say breaking news.
You say breaking news. You are about to announce the discovery of another planet?
Or that our canteen has run out of samosas.
That would actually be breaking news.
Anyway, let's begin today's current affairs. India is rapidly growing in digital technology, including digital payments.
UPI has changed our lives.
Absolutely.
Earlier, if you wanted to pay someone, you needed cash.
Now you just need
a phone and internet.
Even 5 rupees payments have become digital. Guys, I owe you 5 rupees.
No problem, send UPI.
What's your UPI ID?
Wait, let me open the app.
Network problem.
Try again.
Payment failed.
You just forget about 5 rupees.
But with digital payments, we must stay alert.
Yes, never say your PIN, OTP or password.
Because scammers are becoming more creative.
They call and say, "Congratulations, you have won 1 crore rupees."
And you say,
"Really?"
And then you say,
"Yes, just tell us your OTP."
And then you say, "Congratulations, you have been blocked." Moving on to the parliament and democracy.
Parliament is where people discuss about important issues about a country.
People with different views participate in discussion.
Which means everyone doesn't have to agree.
Correct.
Imagine if every discussion ended like this.
I respect your opinion.
I respect yours.
Let's find a solution.
Wow!
What? But seriously, respecting different opinions is an important part of democracy.
Debate the idea, not the person. That would actually be a good rule for life.
Look at that, you said something intelligent.
Please note the date and time.
Now let's talk about the India's wildlife.
Have a marvelous Monday.